In the point mode, if you move your tripod to another place, you will have to reset all your points. To avoid this, we have designed the anchor point feature. Especially if you're going to be using 3 or more points in your shot, using the anchor point feature can be very useful. So here is how to set up your anchor points. First, you have to decide 2 points that will be always there throughout the shot. For the demonstration purposes, I have these 2 green dots on the table and I will be using them for my anchor points. And the order I'm teaching is very important. So if I'm teaching this point first, I will have to remember that, because later when I move my tripod, I will have to teach this point first again. So let's begin. I aim the point and I press the button and I mark it from one angle, and I do the same again from another angle. Now I move to my second point and I mark it. I make sure it's right at the center of my screen. I move to another angle and I mark it, and this completes my anchor point teaching process. So I will be teaching the center of this calculator by teaching it from 2 different angles, 1 and 2. Now the tracking is active. Moving my tripod, and obviously you will see that it's not tracking the calculator anymore. So what I do is I press the reposition button. Now I'm faced with the anchor point stages again. I'll be teaching the first point once more from one angle and from second angle. Now I move on to my second anchor point, 1 and 2. So let's see what happens when I activate my point. The calculator is now back in action, actively tracking again. So if I had 6 points which I had previously taught, they would all realign right now, and I could keep working without interruption. So this is how the anchor point feature works.